Hello everyone, welcome to Hunt Electronics. So in today's technical session, we are going to do the unboxing and a teardown of RGB based music bar light, or we can say music oblique voice activated RGB LED bar, or simply in other word you can say a music level indicator. So actually I have ordered this from Amazon, and let us open and see what it consists of. Okay. So we can see that it consists of one music light bar, okay, one stand where we can keep it, we can hold and we can keep it over here. One stand is there, and yes, one C-type charging cable. Okay, good. So the length of it is near about 1 meter long C-type cable over here. Now let us see more in detail about finishing for the body. It is of an acrylic type of plastic body over there. Okay, so this is the display. And at the back you can see there are 3 buttons over there. One is for the mode and speed control, another is for color and brightness control, and another is for the power. At the bottom you can see they have given an C-type connection for charging, and one option there is a hole for a microphone over here. Okay, so first let us attach a C-type charger over here. It is indicating over here. So there are 6 LED which is showing the charging indicator, 6 to 8 LEDs over there, okay, which is showing the charging LED over here. So it is not fully charged over here. Okay, let us disconnect. Let us turn on. So backside there is one power button is there. You can see here it is a power button over here. So if you just a single click on the power button, it will show the battery charging level over here. Just a single click, and if you click for a longer time, a same button, it will turn on the LED bar. Hello. So if you just press a long power button, it will turn on, and for the single touch it will only indicate the battery level of it. Okay, so I have put a charging is on over here. If I remove the charging cable, okay. So let us see on the box what other information is given over here on the box. So it is multicolor, voice control recognition, noise suppression filtering is also there. Okay, good. It consists of a noise suppression filter. Okay, it can be used in the automobile, party, outdoor activity, etc, etc. So I have got 2 different over there. Yeah, both are the same over here. So there are different models over there. So it consists of USB powered, rechargeable, and app control. Yeah, for this you have got an Android and app on the Apple phone. So at present this app is not available on the Android, but yes, it is available with an Apple OS over there. So you can, those who are using Apple iPhone, you can just install this app and you can control all the modes through your mobile phone also. Okay, now if you go to the back side, there are 2 more buttons are there. One is for a speed control, and another is darkness. Okay, let's go for another one. Yes, now you can see here the second button is for a color and brightness, and one more is there for the mode over there. Okay, if you see, I'll try to show you here. So see, this is first one is for the power, another is for the color, and one is for the mode and speed selection over here. Okay, now if you want to change the color, okay, so for, as we have seen, for when we click a single power button, it will show the battery level indicator. If we press a long press for a power button, it will turn on. For color, if you press a single click, it will change the color. Hello, now you can see it can change the color. So now it is changing the color. So hello, If you want to change, hello. So on the single click of the color, it will show. The same button, if you press it for the long, it will control the brightness of the LED. Okay, I'll just change the color. Hello. So there are 15 different modes of colors over here in this. That's great. Hello. Okay. Then there are different modes and speed also here for to change the mode. So if you click a single click for the same button, it will change the mode. See, hello, this is a different mode. Hello, this is a different mode over there which is present. Now once again I will click one more time. Hello. See, so single click of this mode button, it will change the mode. And if you same button, if you press for a longer time, it will just increase and decrease the speed. Now you can see the speed of this light has been increased. Okay, yes. So some more information that regarding it consists of a battery which is 250 am, okay, milliampere over battery. It has got a super LED. It has got a 15 flash modes. It has got a 5-step adjustment for the brightness, 5-step adjustment for the color. Hello. Yes. Okay. And it has got a 5 different speed over here. Okay. Now let us see how to open it. Suppose in the future if it gets damaged and if you want to change the battery, let us see the tear down of it. Okay. Fine. Now how to open this? First I will switch off this. Okay, so to switch it off, again I have to hold this power button for a longer time. Longer means at least 3 to 4 seconds. Then it will turn off. Yeah. Now it's turn off continuously. Now how to open it? Okay, now it does not have got any screws or something. So it is a press fitted over here, and it has got some good logic how to open this. Now yeah, I've got some screwdriver over here. Just go over here. First you have to remove this protection glass. Okay, see, I've removed the protection glass over here. Yes, this is how very easily you can remove the protection glass. I'll keep this protection glass aside. Now you can see here how to open this. Yeah, everything is press fitted over here. Slowly you can remove here. So there is a locking over here. See, so I have removed the first lock over here. Just keep it aside over here. Then one more lock is over here. Yeah, see, so easily it can be removed. So no screws, no fitting, no testing. Yeah, here it is. Again we can remove it. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we have removed the cover of it. Now the next is we can remove the PCB from here, from back side. Okay, very easily. Just here to push. Yes. Once it gets removed. Yes. So we have opened this totally. Okay, you can see this is the battery over here. So this is 250 ml battery over there. So milliampere battery. If you want a more, yeah, here you got to push it. If you want to increase the capacity, so 250 milliampere of battery, if it is a fully charged, it can get operated continuously for 3 to 4 hours. And if you want more backup, you have to just change the battery over here. Okay, now you can see here there are 3 switches over there. One is for the power, okay, turn on. One is for the color and brightness control. Another is for the mode and the speed control over here. And now we can see here the number of LEDs. Will count the number of LEDs: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So this is a 16-bit LED. Actually this is a 16-bit LED over there. Okay, so for each LED it has got a 2, so it is not a 32-bit, but it is a 16-bit. 1 2 3 4 5. But from the outside you can see, if you count, no, it will be, seems to be like that it is a 32-bit. So if you count this number of the blocks, it is 32, but in fact it is not a 32, it is a 16-bit. So if you cover this, you will get a 2 blocks in one. So from outside it seems to be a 32-bit, but in actual it is not a 32-bit, my friend. This is a 16-bit over here. Now here you can see, here you have got a C-type charger here on board. This is a small microphone over here. Okay, and beside the microphone there is, okay my friends, now I have zoomed it out. Now you can see here, you can now clearly see this is the C type of a USB which is on board connected over here. This is nothing but this is a microphone mic, so you can return here. It is a mic over here, and you can see here a small processor over here. Okay, microcontroller processor over here. Battery is connected over here, and these are the 3 different. Okay, now this is a 3528 RGB LED, 3528 RGB, which is very low power consumption LED over here. Because of this we are getting a good backup over here. So the details of this type of an LED I will be giving in the description below. You can go and check over here. Let us check the voltage of this battery. So I've got a multimeter over here. Okay, so multimeter, let us keep it over here. It's getting displayed. Let us see how much voltage is there. Yes, so okay, it is showing 3.98, but this is a 3.7 volt battery. So this whole system operates on 3.7 volt. Okay, so if let us connect the charging pin over here. Now you can see here, yeah, it is good. It is getting charged, so when it is going to get a fully charged, so all 5 LEDs are going to glow, and this blinking light will be turned off over here. Now let us turn on this system. I can see I can change even the mode over here. So this is how, if something goes wrong with this, we can just open it, and you can there are 2 soldering spots over here for the battery. You can just replace the battery. Okay, let us now dismantle. Okay, now let us connect it again. So first we have to go and we have to connect the 3 switch over here. Okay, then slowly to the battery and PCB over here. Okay, it will get fitted over here. Good. Then put uppermost block over here first. Simply press it, gently press. Okay, so it gets locked over here. Then take another one and just press over here. Put it. Okay, then the next one. Okay, and then the final. You have to just put a cover over here. Yes, so this is how we can replace the battery, or just we have done the tear down of this LED sound bar. Okay, for more detail and for more info and more technical videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.